The discovery that changed mental health, the story of Sertraline, also known as Zoloft. How did a methodical search for new psychiatric treatments lead to one of the world's most prescribed antidepressants? This is the story of Sertraline, better known as Zoloft, a drug that has transformed mental health treatment for millions worldwide. Unlike some medical discoveries that happened by accident, Sertraline's development was a result of systematic research, scientific persistence, and a commitment to finding a better treatment for depression. Our story begins in the 1970s at Pfizer's research laboratories. At the time, pharmaceutical companies were actively exploring new treatments for psychiatric conditions, including depression. The key figures behind Sertraline were Dr. Kenneth Coe and Dr. Willard Welch, along with chemist Reinhard Sarges, scientist Albert Weissman and Charles Harbert. Their research initially focused on a compound called Sertraline, a norepinephrine dopamine reuptake inhibitor that showed promise. However, Sertraline also had stimulant-like effects and a high potential for abuse, making it unsuitable as an antidepressant. Rather than abandoning this research, Coe and Welch saw an opportunity. They began systematically modifying Sertraline's molecular structure, specifically removing the N-methyl group, which was associated with its stimulant effects. This led to the creation of Sertraline, a compound with a very different mechanism, highly selective serotonin reuptake inhibition, with minimal effects on other neurotransmitters. This breakthrough was crucial. Sertraline's selectivity made it a promising alternative with fewer side effects and a lower risk of toxicity in overdose situations. Developing a promising compound was just the beginning. Throughout the 1980s, Sertraline underwent extensive double-blind, placebo-controlled clinical trials to assess its safety and efficacy. By this time, the antidepressant market was evolving. In 1987, Eli Lilly introduced fluoxetine, better known as Prozac, the first SSRI approved by the FDA. Prozac revolutionized depression treatment and paved the way for a new generation of medications. Soon after, paroxetine or Paxil was developed. After years of testing, Sertraline was approved by the FDA in 1991 under the brand name Zoloft, making it the third SSRI available in the United States. Following its approval, Sertraline quickly became a widely prescribed antidepressant. Over time, researchers discovered that its benefits extended beyond. Following its approval, Sertraline quickly became a widely prescribed antidepressant. Over time, researchers discovered that its benefits extended beyond depression. Sertraline gained additional FDA approvals for conditions such as panic disorder, obsessive-compulsive disorder, post-traumatic stress disorder, social anxiety disorder, and premenstrual dysphoric disorder. Its broad range of applications made it a key player in psychiatric treatment. By the early 2000s, Zoloft became one of the most prescribed psychiatric medications in the world. Sertraline's development remains a testament to methodical pharmaceutical research and how scientific persistence can lead to life-changing medical breakthroughs. This video is for educational purposes only and does not provide medical advice. Antidepressants should only be taken under the supervision of a qualified healthcare provider. Never start or stop taking an antidepressant without medical guidance, as sudden changes can be dangerous. If you have any questions about depression or its treatment, consult a healthcare professional. Thanks for watching and stay curious. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest updates.